Hey there, parents. Today we're diving into one of the most common questions I get asked. What size dirt bike should your 7-year-old be riding? Let's break this down so you can make the best choice for your little rider. First things first, safety is our #1 priority. The perfect bike for a 7-year-old typically falls between 50cc and 70cc. But here's the thing. Every kid is different and size matters more than age. Let me introduce you to two amazing options I've personally tested. The RiiRoo MX-X1S electric dirt bike and its petrol counterpart, the PX1S. These bikes are specifically designed with young riders in mind, and here's why they're fantastic starter bikes. The electric MX-X1S comes with a 500-watt motor and adjustable speed settings. This means you're in control of how fast your kid can go while they're learning. Plus, there's no hot engine to worry about and maintenance is super simple. Just charge and ride. Now, if you're leaning towards a more traditional experience, the PX1S 50cc petrol bike is an excellent choice. It's got that classic dirt bike feel and sound that kids absolutely love. But remember, it does require more maintenance and supervision. Here's what you need to look for when sizing up any dirt bike. Your child should be able to sit comfortably with both feet touching the ground. The seat height should be around 22-24 inches. This is crucial for control and confidence. Let's talk protection because this is non-negotiable. Your shopping list should include a DOTI-approved helmet, proper dirt bike boots, gloves, and protective gear. Think of it as an investment in your child's safety. Starting out is all about building confidence. Whether you choose electric or petrol, begin in a controlled environment. Let them get comfortable with the basics, starting, stopping, and basic turns. Trust me, watching their skills develop is incredibly rewarding. One of the best things about starting with a RiiRoo bike is the progression path it offers. As your child grows in confidence and skill, they can gradually move up to more powerful models within the same trusted brand. Before I wrap this up, here's my top tip. Don't rush the process. Every kid learns at their own pace, and the key is making sure they're comfortable and having fun while staying safe. Ready to get your young rider started? Head over to RiiRoo.com to check out their complete range of kids' dirt bikes. They've got everything you need to get started, from bikes to safety gear. Plus, their customer service team is incredibly helpful if you need any advice. Remember, starting your kid on dirt bikes isn't just about the bike. It's about creating memories, building confidence, and maybe even kickstarting a lifelong passion.